Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage salary entries in Zoho Books. This process allows you to properly track and record employee salary payments as business expenses, keeping your financial records organized and accurate. First, head over to the Zoho Books website by navigating to zoho.com/books in your browser. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main Zoho Books dashboard where you can access all your financial management tools. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar and click on the Purchases tab. This will expand a menu with several options related to your business expenses and purchase transactions. From this expanded menu, go ahead and select Expenses. This is where all your business expense records are stored and managed. Now you're ready to create a new salary entry. Click the plus new or plus record expense button at the top of the screen. This opens up a form where you'll input all the details for your salary payment. The first and most important field is the Account dropdown. Click on it and search for salaries and employee wages. Selecting this account is what properly categorizes the entry as a salary expense in your books. Next, enter the salary payment amount in the Amount field. Make sure this matches the exact amount you're paying out. Then select the payment date in the Date field. This should reflect when the salary was actually paid, not necessarily when it was earned. In the Paid Through field, choose the bank or cash account you use to make the payment. This ensures your account balances stay accurate and helps with reconciliation later. If you want to associate this payment with a specific employee for better tracking, look for the Employee or Contact field and select the relevant person. This step is optional but highly recommended for detailed record keeping. Before finalizing, you can add any notes or references in the designated fields. This might include details like the pay period or any deductions made. Once everything looks correct, click Save to record the salary payment as an expense in your system. That's it. You've now properly recorded a salary payment in Zoho Books, ensuring your financial records accurately reflect your payroll expenses. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.